and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and becoming one of my little doll babies. And if you've already subscribed, you are already a doll baby. So hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy you're here. This is just going to be a quick little video. I received this wig in PR, so I wanted to share with you. I'll put all the deets down below. It's an inexpensive wig from Amazon. It came in this package and it came with a wig cap, which is nice. Let's talk pros and cons. I didn't do a lot of clips of me getting her together. One con is that she likes to snag. This is definitely it's a silkier texture. This is a silkier texture, so she definitely wants to snag. I can overlook that. I love the wave pattern. She's about 20 inches, and I love the color. She reminds me of the color of, I think it was Free Trust Swami, and she was like in PB Coffee, and I really, really loved that. This is a full cap wig, no combs at all. It's a skin top parting. I did create some baby hairs just to try to help. The one thing about this though is the skin top parting is very thick, if you can see that. There is a way where you can remove that. And if you'd like a video, I might have done it in a video, but if you'd like another video on how you can remove like this bulkiness in the front, I can do that. Just put that down below. I think she'd be cute with a hat though. This would be like a good sort of winter wig where you're wearing a hat and you're gonna be wearing a hat. I have this hat from Head Covers, so let me just try this just to see what it looks like. Really into trying to find like wigs that look good with hats or that are easy to wear with a hat. Okay, now that is super cute. Yeah, I don't mind this wig for hat purposes, but without the hat there'd definitely be like a lot of work that would need to be done. It is like a nice density to be wearing if you're going to be wearing a hat so that like you don't get too hot. So yeah, I'd say this is a good hat wig, especially because I'm pretty sure it's under $20 on Amazon. Again, I'll put all the deets down below. But if I wasn't wearing it, like if I was wearing it outside of not wearing it with a hat, I don't know that I would necessarily recommend this outside of the fact that this color is stunning. So I'm always appreciative to receive wigs for PR, but I am always honest, and so let me just do this. I'm never going to mislead you about what the real tea is. And the real tea on this is if you like the coloring and you don't mind like just only being able to wear this with a hat, then go for it. If you want to wear this without a hat, I have other wigs from Amazon that are under $20 that are just way better for that. No. This actually isn't really a hat. It's like, it's a turban, but hat, turban, whatever. Did I say turban? You'd think I was like drinking wine or something, but I'm not. Not yet. I think she's so cute with this like turban, but other than that, like there's so much that you'd need to do. Like I said, I have other Amazon wigs that you wouldn't have to put as much work into if you wanted to wear it without a hat. So hat approved. Other than that, skip it. So that's my 2 cents on this wig. If there's other wigs from Amazon you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.